Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosas Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Amen. Usamge Kwela gets dragged again. Samge Kwela it's Musam Selegos fifth wife, and the people are saying was girl when Angel Velo was secure ibeg le empty oling and aluto. Some even saying go to Samge Uyakoa. Some even asking ukuthi girl kahle kwenzakalani ngawe cause wena sola uyikohlala eMzumbe uyanini nakuhlala eMzumbe wena soloku abakufuni namanje girl ulubuliwe. You now have a child, but the only person ngathi look appreciate kona lokufuna eduze kwakhe it's only the first wife uMaqele, and the others they just don't care about you, and it seems like your man is not doing anything ukuthi akulungise lokona nje uyohlalele ekhaya kini nje ayikho indzaba yakho. Umseleku only lowballed you because you were probably even pregnant by then, and bengafuna kuthiwe hey umseleku phela umithisile oyi-side check. So people are now saying ukuthi there is one olulujelo yokuthi oh short boso meat, but wena uyagoa uyaphirisha. Man, samke sono ngaye yadi because every time mandu whenever like I post something on TikTok they will always track her, like they will always track her. Angifisisi ukuthi nini niyabufuna yini kumsele kunezinhlala entreka mfati wakhe ngale ndlela, but maybe decision yabo yokuthi girl ahlale ekhaya since uyabona ukuthi bomakhumalo nabo mayena bamfuni eMzumbe, so khaya tu with the child. So people are saying ukuthi cha girl wena usecurity nje ibag le empty ayina lutho ibag yakho ubroke kwanawe uyagoa. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. I am signing out. Goodbye.